be honest, most people in 2025 are broke. They work 9 to 5, earn money, spend it all, and then repeat. But the shocking truth is, being broke isn't about low income, it's about bad financial habits. Let's break the illusion and talk about the real reason 90% people never get rich. 1. They think earning more equals getting rich. Wrong. If your spending increases with your income, you'll always stay in the same place. Rich people don't chase income, they chase assets. They buy things that pay them back, like stocks, digital products, or real estate. 2, they have no control over their spending. 2025 is full of traps: subscriptions, online sales, impulsive buying. People waste $100 here and $200 there and then complain about inflation. Track your money. If you don't control your spending controls you. 3, they save, but never invest. Saving alone doesn't make you rich. Inflation eats your money while you sleep. Investing is how you fight back in ETFs, mutual funds, or even your own skills. Every dollar sitting idle is losing value. They live for today, not tomorrow. People want luxury now: new phone, new car, new clothes. But rich people play the long game. They build foundations first, comfort later. The broke mindset says, I deserve it now. The rich mindset says, I'll earn it forever. 5, they fear taking risks. Fear keeps most people poor. They're afraid to start something new, afraid to fail, afraid to invest. But every rich person you admire once took a bold, scary step, and that's where growth begins. So the question isn't how much you earn, it's how much you learn about money. In 2025, average is dangerous. Only bold decisions lead to freedom. Comment below. Are you ready to break the broke cycle?